Maybe you're working on improving your voice at home, or you're already a musician who's ready to get out there and go do a show and you need something to warm up with. Or maybe you're just recording something at home or working on some songs at home and you want a gentle vocal warm-up that's going to go through your range and open you up in a very focused way with minimal talking or explanation. This is the video for you. My name's Kate. I've been singing formally for over 30 years. I help people in this channel to encounter the problems that are getting in the way of them freeing their voice, and I help people to find and sing with their authentic voice. These are going to be exercises without explanation, so you can just bookmark this video, play it every time you want to warm up your voice, and go with the flow with me. Make sure that you are ready to sing with the proper posture. So shoulders back, chest open, head tall, free of tension in the neck and in the jaw, and fueling in between each line with a deep diaphragmatic breath in through the mouth, down into the belly. Feeling that expansion and using that as your engine. So the first one is going to start down on E major, and we're just going to go up a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on miaam. Now make sure this vowel is open, that your tongue is flat against your bottom teeth, concave, leaving space for the color in your voice. Miaam, miaam, miaam. Now for the next one, these are going to be more staccato. So you need to feel each one with the proper breath. Just focus on your breath coming in and out through each phrase, as if you're an athlete who's running and you're just taking in, letting out, using that breath to fuel you. So we're going to do it on a do, the oo vowel, oo. Notice the shape of my vowel. Do, 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 do. Now the next one, we want to really plug into your resonance. So this is going to be on a hum. And we're going to go up chromatically. 5 semitones. So it sounds like this. Just really paying attention to the sound of each note and that pattern, we're going to hum it, pointing that hum forward as if the air is escaping out of our nose and really feeling a vibration in our face. And then up. Simple in principle, difficult in practice. I encourage you guys to do this one on a keyboard. Just go from note to note. White, black, white, black, white, white, black, and so on and so forth. You're going to be touching 5 of them. So let's say you're on C, you're going C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, back down. So it's 3 whole notes and 5 semitones. Okay, now this is another challenging one. This is going to be for female singers in the head voice, starting on an E. And rather than moving up to it straight away, we're going to start on that E. I want you to imagine this real lightness, like you're kind of in a cloud, and you're just pointing that note out of your head. And you're making this nasal, but we're going to be doing it up here. And as you open onto the ah, make sure that your tongue is touching your bottom teeth and that your forehead feels lifted, that all of this space inside feels lifted, so you want to have a half yawn. And we're going to go down. But you're going to imagine that you're approaching the note from underneath it, that you're just coming down over the note. Not that you are moving up toward the note, that you are reaching for a note, but that you are descending upon a note as if you're already higher above it. So you finish very lightly. Now we're going to descend. So if you're looking for something more personalized, check out my website. I have shared my story there so you can learn about why I began coaching, why I began singing, what is my whole story around this. And you can also check out vocal analysis, which I absolutely love to do for you guys. You send me a recording and I send you back what is essentially a personalized YouTube video, listening to your recording live, giving you all of my notes, all of my feedback, what I hear that's working in your voice, what I hear that isn't working in your voice, and a clear plan of how to go about in a process of improving your voice, as well as catered vocal warm-ups that are just for you. So a warm-up like this that is made around your range, around your unique challenges, and around your strengths. So that's a vocal analysis. You can check that out on the website. And I thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below.